Nyah, record it, Record this, cause TikTok no record. Okay. I wish family again. Cuba a war, and so therefore we have problem, the doctor problem, right? So this is one I think them a bite we know. The doctor program, where we either import doctor, because we need that because most of we not nonsense. But people on TikTok who know, because most of we on TikTok nonsense. Yeah, but most of we not nonsense. So we not a nurse and we not a doctor. So part of why nurse them don't public so miserable. You see, I make you know, them under pressure and too much work with people who have little sense. So we have to import them. And Cuba, when I man them, we set it a long time and have people who have sense, because them set for them program, them set it like America. Oh, and that's why them America war. That is like have them decide say them have sense. America, who don't have no sense. And I know I agree with that. I know anybody who are there in New York City know that they are payment people. They are example, New York City. Who don't have no sense. The whole America system of madness. You see, that's why I'm really glad when Trump come. Because Trump can cap it, he just crown it now and say, yep, all the way there's no sense. We just want a man with no sense. We make us show the world that shit. Welcome to America. And the vibes now is that the doctor them when they are Cuba, America say, so Jamaica get 9. From other countries too, but we are talking about we now. All along Cuba send doctor and nurse, and we have a little thing going. Me nah lie no. Them have a word that says the word, the nurse and the doctor them with them send under pressure and hello. Of course it's true. We nah no infrastructure in our hospital them. We nah no bed for people them sleep, and we nah no nurse and doctor. But here we have whole of rascal, excuse me language, madman where ride up and down the blasted but nice bike them and a crash and a lick off them blood clear head pop. And sitting and gone in the blurring dogs pressure system we done pressure already load up. We have some whole madman we are shoot them one another, shoot up one another, and the news are bring it every day like I said that's a major, that's all that's happening. 2 gangsters in the ghetto lane them, have 2 guns with the damn politician man them or construction contractor man them can line them up and them and shoot them one another with it. So every day we must hear that dumb shit, a bombard from RJR, blood cleat news. You hear the and Jackson Miller? Yeah, I'm sending out that message. I just call your name is you and the whole RJR communications group making a lot of money off the demonic shit that is doing. The little boy will the little youth in him head back a war in a school. That is very unfortunate. But you know what is more unfortunate? The fact that RJR makes money off that shit. Yeah, Nyah, record it, Record this, cause TikTok no record. Okay.